Lalita Sakhi is such a prominent principal Sakhis who consider like a guru for all Sakhis. Therefore, hand mantra of Lalita like this way. He Radhe, Tavo Priyo Sakhincha Gurung Sakhinang, Tambulo Bhungi Lalitang Namami. Means Lalita is guru for all Sakhis and also dearmost Sakhis of Radharani. Therefore, we can see early morning and evening arati done performed by Lalita Sakhi. You can see Sachidananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained transcendental Vrindavan under the wish-fulfilling tree, Radha Krishna sitting and arati performed by Lalita Sakhi. So I humbly paying obeisance to Lalita Sakhi and begging mercy, please engage me to serve you and serve Srimati Radha Krishna.